If you're looking for some great layouts to capture summertime, beach, vacation, tropical, amusement park, the boardwalk, these layouts are for you. I'm really excited to share with you the 12 pages that I've made with the beach boardwalk paper and a few other products that really elevate the artwork. So these are pages 1 and 2, which I'm really excited to share with you because it captures the sunset. Many times you're out on a tropical vacation and you see so many beautiful sunsets, and this is a great way to capture them on a layout. You'll see how I use this paper, the way I cut it, and then I also used the palm trees, which are actually die cut, and I used Secret Sea cardstock here, and then I sponged it with a gray ink to get that look. I am using Boardwalk Fun stamp set and dies. And this is on a last chance section, so you can get the stamp set for $16 and all of these die cuts for $25, and you'll be saving money by buying them a la carte. But we've used them before. If you didn't catch my Beach Time scrapbook kit, you really need to check that out. Check out the link for that because there's more artwork with the scrapbooking kit. And this is the palm tree. If you wanted to stamp it, I stamped it in Summer Splash ink, and then I went over it a little bit with some gray ink just to blend it in a little bit more. However, I really liked doing the Secret Sea and then adding some gray, dark gray ink on top. I hope you like this layout. It's really great that you can do 6x4 flip flaps, 3x3s, and 3x4s. You could also make this a 4x6 or 6x4 picture if you needed to add more of this size. Same as this as well. So you have that option to modify. But I really love the way it came out and the colors look great. The beach boardwalk paper for this is so much fun, and that's what you're seeing right here. And Pool Party is my mats. Hopefully you've noticed those beautiful waves that I'm showing you here and the adorable umbrella. You'll notice I've used a little bit of the shimmer paper. It's left over from when I did the Beach Time kit, so you're using up your scraps, but I love how I did the seashells and the umbrella. Now that's coming out of a different stamp set called Rolling Waves, and if you love the summer, you definitely want to get this. I will be doing a video explaining all of the die cuts, how they work. These are something that you definitely want to own if you love summer, beach, vacation, pool, and that's right up your alley. This is a good one to have. So we'll go over those details in another video, but I wanted to let you know that that's how you get this really cool umbrella and a lot of the cool waves that you're going to see throughout. And these seashells as well. I love that the die cut does a different variety all in one die. It makes it super easy. And just having fun with these pages. That's layout 1, pages 1 and 2. Here are pages 3 and 4, and this was a lot of fun as well. Now I am adding in the mixed up patterns because I had them left over from Beach Time. I wanted to add them in so you could see it right here in this stripe, which helps break up so much of the pink. The pink and yellow really work great, and I used the white willow cardstock just to bring it bright, so much brightness and color here. But these are just fun pages. Once again, you can see how I used the palm tree, how I used the wave with the shimmer paper. I popped up the stickers. Love my umbrella again, just adding that color down here. And I'm using the in color dots. I love the way they came out. And I did some stamping of sand along the bottom, which was out of this Rolling Waves stamp set. It just had one little stamp right here, and that's what I used. And just added a little bit of color and pulled it in. Great opportunity to do your journaling here. And once again, 3x3 and 6x4 flip flaps if you need to add more photos. But aren't the colors pretty here? Here's the yellow glimmer paper, or I should say shimmer paper. And you can see all the patterns from the beach boardwalk paper as well. And the palm trees here. Using those stickers, and I just love this title. It's just bright, it's cheerful, it's colorful, and it kind of captures the fun colors of summer with the cute umbrellas, the in-color dots, stickers, and the seashells. Note again how I did those waves along up the bottom just to capture a little bit more color and add a little whimsy to these pages. I hope you really like them. These have been a lot of fun to create. My next set of pages, 5 and 6, are all about let's go to the pool. How many of you love to use your pool? Go to the pool, enjoy being at the pool all day with the kids and family. I really had fun doing my letters. I am using the Party Alphabet die cut set, which we've used again and again and again. But note this cute little donut, but it's really a tube. And it's coming from a brand new set called Splash and Relax. So I am using the die cuts on here, which are pretty cool. And this will become live for sale on May 5th. And I'll add more of these details and show them to you in another video with the rolling waves so you can see all the components and how they work well together. But now you can see how I'm using that mixed up paper pattern. Love this water pattern. It's one of my favorite patterns in the Beach Boardwalk kit. I added balmy blue cardstock. It really helped bring the aqua color out of the paper, and it was a lot of fun. And now you're seeing the waves. I did 2 layers here, and I sponged it a little bit and then added white for the frothiness of the top of a wave. And now you can see that tube again, and we have the beach ball, a couple of beach balls, and just having fun with this title. I love it. I love the colors. It just makes me feel so summery when you have the pool party, which I also used an embossing folder. Now the embossing folders, there's 2 of them that are on Last Chance that are on sale that you could pick and choose if you don't have them. I definitely would have one of them in my stash. So use whichever you have. And just adding, so we have Pool Party and Balmy Blue. They really are great aqua colors for the summer and work so well as the Daffodil Delight Yellow, but the lightest tone of it. Isn't that pretty? I just am loving these pages. And once again, flip-flaps, 4x4, 3x4, 3x3, 4x6. You can add more memories using flip-flaps. Pages 7 and 8 are going back to that yellow and pink color. But I love this bold stripe here. It really brings that color in. And if you noticed, I stamped the bottom here with the wave, the rolling wave stamp. There's one of them in there that's this really cool look. And I did it in the yellow, which was really, really fun to do. I also did vacay in the Party Alphabet die cuts and then stamped them in the same wave in the yellow as well. Now, what's cool about the vacay is you could change this to beach, you could do pool, you could do wherever you are. If you want to do a different kind of title, that's your option. I love that I did something like this just to give you an idea that you could change this up to whatever works for you. But you'll note I added those seashells, the umbrellas. I did a little bit of the wave here in 2 layers. As you can see, we have our stickers. I added this cute little visor, which I kind of picked part of the paper that I wanted that palm tree to show. But the colors are so much fun with just a splash of that aqua in here. Oh, did you see the flip-flops? Flip-flops. Aren't they adorable? They're in that new stamp set that's coming, Splash and Relax. So you'll be able to see them in here. They're a die cut that are really cute. And I'm just using those in color dots to add a little bit more. Once again, those umbrellas are so much fun. And layering those little triangles, so easy and quick to do. You're going to love these umbrellas. Love this whole look. And then I actually added over here one of the stickers, and I wasn't crazy about the dark palm trees, so that's why I added those soft pink ones, and it just pulled it together. You don't really notice this as much, and I just added a little bit more dots. We also have our stickers and our seashells, and I just had a lot of fun with this. This is a great way, an area that you can add your journaling as well. So we have this really cool look down here that kind of cascades across the page. So this is your title. Great opportunity to capture your summer or tropical vacation beach memories, even at the pool if you want. Pages 9 and 10, oh wow, another really great color combo, again with that pool party and balmy blue. So the cardstock that I'm using here is Pool Party as the base, and you'll see that I actually cut the guts out to use elsewhere on the layouts, and I love doing that. Created this great circle with a little bit of sponging in blue, and just adding a little bit of the mix-ins paper or mixed up patterns, the sticker that you see here. And I love that I did the waves. I did them with a white background, a blue, and Pool Party. So we have balmy blue and Pool Party as well. Just adds another layer that's so much fun for the beach, right? Fun in the sun, relaxing. Where's my pina colada? That's what I really need right now. Love these cute umbrellas. They're just so much fun. We've got our tube time. We've got our beach balls, having a great day at the beach or at the pool. You can make whatever title you want or make this into whatever memories you want to keep. As far as journaling goes, you could definitely tell your story here or use a flip flap and tell your story behind the photo of the beautiful day that you had. Lots of opportunities for that, and I just love that little tropical leaf as well. That's a die cut. Aren't they pretty? Last set of pages, 11 and 12, are taking me right back to the amusement park or the boardwalk. When I was growing up, I really enjoyed going to Point Pleasant and Seaside Park or Seaside Heights to go on the rides when I was very little, and that's what this makes me think of. I'm really glad that I was able to get those same memories with my boys, and now I have this layout that I can use, and I could easily add more photos, once again with flip-flaps in these sizes. But isn't this adorable? Look how I did the fun time on these big circles. Now these circles remind me of cotton candy. The colors are just so bright and cheerful, and they are just, I don't know, it just makes me think of a carnival, of a bazaar, things like that. But isn't that Ferris wheel adorable? That is out of the Boardwalk Fun die cut set. So the dies really make a difference in this cute little bucket that you see here, or I should say this will do 6 of these at one time. So you have so many options to use these palm trees and the Ferris wheel, whereas the roller coaster could be stamped down here if you want to, and stamping that as well. It's just so much fun. It is fun time. It really is. I just love using that ticket sticker, and it was just one strip, but I strategically used it in 4 places. That it just brings it all together. Love the colors that have the yellow and the aqua here, the pool party, and oh, these cute little drinks, right? When you go out to the beach, you always have a slushy, an icy, or something a little stronger in the cups, right? I know, you do. And we're just having fun with a lot of these little dots that are left over from some of the stickers. And isn't this a great layout? Now, these are some of the rubber or foam puffy tabs that I had left over from beach time. But if you have this and you don't have the puffy tabs, which are also last chance, you could easily use this die cut and create the same look. So that's an option for you, where this is the die cut and this one isn't. So I wanted to show you, you have that option. The ticket die cut was fun, adding those. I just cut them in half and stuck them in there. So you could actually make this a pocket and put more photos in if you want, but that's why I love flip-flops, because you open it up and you see more. But aren't these adorable? What great colors. I love the fun time. The fun time, I can think of the fun house, going on the roller coaster, going to an amusement park. I don't know what works for you. Maybe it's Disney. Maybe you're taking a Disney vacation. You could definitely check out my Beach Time Scrapbook Kit, which has more layouts for the amusement park, but this one focuses more on beach and pool with this one layout for the amusement park. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about sharing the shopping list with you so that you can make a purchase to get the cutting guide with the directions to make all 12 pages. You definitely want to check out my other video that will be showcasing the rolling waves and the splash and relax, where I'll get a little more in-depth and detail to show you those stamps and dies together. They're great for any kind of fabulous vacation, beach, pool time. So if that's up your alley, consider watching that video.